The Slug Boys, yay!
Do you think we've got the proper ability to maybe start robbing? Stealing?
Maybe no actual people, if in case they pull out a fucking rocket launcher or something. Well, an assault rifle.
I mean, we can always try to rob a gas store, I guess, because, like...
I will do that first.
Maybe fucking try to find a good gas store, but then actually, like, a good pathway away from it. It all depends if the police really see my vehicle, but maybe you park up somewhere in a forest, I'll drive towards you and I'll jump in your vehicle, type of thing.
I don't know where we're doing this. They're coming back and coming
You went
behind.
and put a balaclava and a gun, what do you think we're going to do?
Sell drugs for the rest of our lives.
Can bought a balaclava and a gun, is that how you know we were robbing?
I thought it's just for protection when we get caught with the drugs.
Ah mate, we're the ballerinas. We cause terror in the name of peace.
Forest. Who's going to be waiting in the forest?
You.
What? I'm fucking making this plan.
Right, well. You think,
Right, so...
do you want to rob the shop?
No, you rob, I want to rob. That's all you need to do.
You can be a driver if you want.
Yeah.
I'll give it a try, but I think I'm gonna get arrested.
Right. Do you want to drive Will, or am I driving Will?
Right, so you want me outside the shop?
Right, so
Right, so you're robbing, you're outside the shop, I'll be planted with a motor for you to come to me and jump in and we'll go.
Right. Right, well, you ready? You ready?
Aye, let's go.
Right, well, Lewis, we'll see you in a couple of minutes. If you hear a couple of gunshots, mate, loud gunshots nearby, that's probably us deep.
Alright.
Right, good luck, we'll see you in a couple of minutes. Little Daves will hang about the petrol station first, just in case. Alright, we need to give Lewis a bit of time anyway to even get there, you know. What in the fuck's happened here? What the fuck?
What is this?
Yeah. What's it me for?
Is it film?
Yeah, Phil.
I was just checking stuff.
Oh, that's going on. I'm hiding in the bushes. This looks a bit risky, I'm not gonna lie to you, mate.
No.
With this shit here, I'm going to give him a text.
Right.
Oh,
fuck.
that. Right, well, I don't think this is happening then. Right, well, it looks like we've gone for a different one.
We're gonna have to take hostage.
Hostage?
Oh!
Hostage for
What's
what?
happening?
Can you get my car, sir? Can you get in the red car?
Brilliant. I mean,
Guys,
we're
we
not
got
actually about
two.
to rob a gas station, but cool.
Yeah, I've got 2 hostages. Why are we meeting?
It's just a bit crazy that we're about to rob something and then you come by and take us. What's even happening? What you doing?
or no?
I don't know. Jazz, we still doing the hostage, Inspector. Guys, we're not doing the hostage.
Oh, right,
I'll
perfect.
tell you. No, it's cause SWAT's on. And they have
Oh, right.
BTRs and shit. I'll take you to your car.
Right, thanks.
Cheers.
I'm gonna know those police so bad.
Well, then that was... that was eventful.
I know. Fuck's sake.
Okay, man.
Right, I've got a wee story to tell you. So we're just down the road on the map looking for any other police station, other petrol stations, and then that's when 2 cunts with rifles come to our car. You're getting kidnapped, you're hostage now. Sound. Then they eventually got to the plan's not happening, they just dropped us off back at the car. The thing they told us, but, is the SWAT zone. It's not just the police.
Right.
And they've got helicopters. So, I
Just
don't
makes
know
it more fun.
Right, so we're robbing this one, aye?
Oh, he's just texting me. He gave a green light.
Green light.
Green light, well, green light, that means go. Light in a fag.
Right, ready?
Go, go, go.
I've like 100 seconds to open the register. I need to wait for the register to open.
Right, we're going to need to defend the place for the police, I think. Fuck me, man. I didn't know it was going to do this. I think the police know we're here, by the way, because that buzzer alerts them, I think.
We still got 200 seconds, look. 7, 6. Open.
Grabbing that shit. What is this? I got one, I got 14 grand.
How'd you do it?
I'm just mashing around the squares, honestly.
You mashing the white ones or the black ones?
The black. After this one, we just go.
Aye, we'll just go after this one.
Right, I got another one, right, come on, fuck, let's go out of here.
Go.
Robbie's messaging, just ignore him. Fuck me, man. Yeah.
Right, we got 20 grand.
20 grand, that's not bad.
Nah, I think I got more.
Here's a guy here. Yeah, can we ask a question? You say, like, knowing what to do in this game,
Aye. What do you want to know?
See how the smugglers down, how that's just been taken over? Is that KOS now? Like, kill on sight?
No sure.
I've got a question for you, but my man. Who'd you support?
I knew this was going to happen. Right, put it this way. I'm not really interested
You're
in
a
football.
hun. You're a hun. Somehow that's Scottish council.
Some power of Scottish goods. Oh, I love it.
Right, close your door.
I'm on here. Oh!
Oh, we're gonna get the jail for this, you cunt! What the fuck are you driving?
So, step out the car.
Oh fuck, we're all fucked because of you.
Alright, listen, I just got out of the car, like the...
And why did you just threat us about shooting us then?
That was them. That was even us. That was them.
Why did you threaten us about shooting us, sir?
Can I get let go? Can I please let go?
Holy shit!
What the fuck is
What the fuck was
You nearly
that?
squashed that bolus. You nearly squashed that bolus again.
Imagine it's gonna get left here, like, right, yeah.
Are we excused?
Aye, all excused.
That's illegal.
Fuck a bolus.
Oh, you shut the fuck up!
One car!
I'm gonna shoot you in the back of the head if you don't shut up.
Bruce Lee's entered the island. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh shit. Run into him and he fucking starts like doing kicks at your head.
Are you filling the motor up, right?
Aye.
Somebody's cabin, by the way. You get my passenger.
Sir, do not stay right there, both of you.
Oh fuck. Can you like let us off? This is our first time.
Nah, don't worry. I just
No, don't
do that.
We're gonna have three suspects at Mushroom Farm.
We found me in the bush.
Alright, I'm gonna check all of you while you check y'all's vehicle. Any drugs on you before I search you?
No, I hate all that stuff. No, never me.
He's a
Found
pacifist.
13 mushrooms. Okay, you getting charged?
They're for my breakfast in the morning.
He's like mushrooms for his okay.
Yeah, we like the cheese omelets and shit with the mushrooms in it. Right, Marvin, you
Are
coming?
you leaving the friend? Alright,
Are we leaving Marvin up behind?
I'll send you
Aye,
some of
okay.
that breakfast.
Aye.
I was just lying in the bush and they couldn't pull me out.
Mate, you's are lucky I said we were behind you, mate. Can you see if we were running? You would have arrested us there.
Maybe we should just go to the weed plantation then.
That was what I was thinking.
Imagine they find us there or not. Oh, come on.
This is the seasoning for the omelette.
You ready?
Right, well, you coming?
Wait, hold on. Scroll all the way down and say, like, begin
In
robbery.
fact, no, don't do it, because we're waiting for 3 minutes and they are only just up the fucking road.
Have some boys, man.
Right, beginning now. Not me, man. 5 minutes?
There's other shit we can rob. Is in the lockers in the back.
Oh, can we actually get them? But
Yeah, but wait.
Is it open?
oh, aye.
Is it open?
No, there's more shit in the back room, but
Or is there?
There's another register and everything.
Shit, I can hear somebody, I think. Dad's coming. Watching over. Get out, get out, get out.
Code 4, by the way. No, it's not. No, it's not. There's not one out here. James, you good?
ow! That was sore.
It's code 4, code 4. Code 4, we just got him.
I'm innocent.
I thought he was just hit by himself.
I'm innocent.
Wait, Ben.
Hello.
Oh, hi, guy.
Nothing happened.
Well, you there? Hello? You here?
Aye.
Right. What happened? What happened?
Lewis got arrested, you died, I was alive, I managed to hide.
Did you really hide and no help us?
Hey, I didn't know
I
what to
opened
do.
fire on a police officer and I heard him scream.
Aye, that's your fault for
somebody.
opening fire on a police officer, mate.
Your fault, mate. They're the one that fucking walked towards us, going to arrest us. What we're going to do, just let them arrest us, aye? Lewis?
Marvin.
What'd you get arrested for?
I'm in fucking jail. I was in here. I killed a fucking cop. I shot him right in the fucking head.
Yes, goodbye. Shit, man, I think I was locked up with Victor Zaz there. That guy's a psycho. Fucking head, man. Shot him in the fucking head. I killed him all. Fucking psycho bastard. Oh, did you ever hear the joke about Superman and Wonder Woman?
No.
Right, well, here we go.
Oh, shit!
That was Wonder Woman. She doesn't want me to tell the joke.
What happened to yours?
Fucking Wonder Woman flung a lorry at us. Right. Wonder Woman, she's just sunbathing naked down in the garden, right? Superman, he's flying over. He's just flying, scouring, patrolling, and he sees her. She's lying there. On her back, naked, completely naked, legs spread and everything. And he thinks to himself, I'm quick enough to fly down there, shag fuck out of her and fly away without anybody ever even knowing. Right, so he goes like that, fuck it, I'm going for it. Goes down, bang, 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 flies away. Wonder Woman goes, what the fuck was that? And the Invisible Man goes, I don't know, but my arse is killing me.
I had one like that, but it's...
I just hear it if you remember it.
Alright, so basically this guy goes into Tesco, goes up to the cash register and asks for 10 plastic bags. And they're like, oh, are you sure you want 10 plastic bags? Like, what? And he's like, yeah, just give me 10. And like, so they give him the 10 plastic bags, like charge him the amount of money it is for that. And they're like, just out of curiosity, like, what do you need like 10 plastic bags for? And he says, oh, I killed my wife and I'm about to chop her up and put her into some Tesco bags and put it into the trash. And then okay, they said, okay, like, take the bags, you're not allowed to in here anymore. We're like, you're no longer welcome. The next day, he comes back, he's like, can I have like one more plastic bag, please? And then the cashier is like, I told you not to come back here, what do you need the last one for? And he's like, well, the ass fell out the other one, so I have to get another fucking bag.
Oh, that's terrible. That's fucking rotten. There's a stupid one about Sean Connery. It's basically just making fun of his voice.
It's
fucking Sean Connery's doing a bit of DIY in his house, and he builds a shelf, and it breaks apart and falls, and he looks down at the ground and says, I'm ashamed of myself.
Run my own Robbie so we can fucking quickly do this.
Beat on, reverse, get away. Speed boaties here, get the fuck out of here. Fucking go! They're coming.
I think that's cops.
Aye, exactly.
Go.
Again, I'm fucking trying to tell yous.
You're muted! You're muted!
I told yous!
You were muted! You were muted!
You were muted.
You were muted!
No, mate, you were muted.
You were muted! You were muted!
No,
mate. You were muted!
Shooting down there.
You were muted! You were muted!
No, mate, we genuinely didn't hear you.
Oh my god, you've killed us! You've killed us, Robbie, you asshole!
I'm ashamed of myself. I should have seen this coming.
I think I'm pleading that.
Oh, fuck yeah, you're covered in blood. They actually hit you.
Aye, they did.
They missed me and made a hole in the glass right by my head. Have you got a bandage? I think the guys are coming, by the way.
We can't have you hanging about here with all these drugs.
What was bleeding out?
Oh, for fuck's sake. I've got bandages on me, I think. Something, one of you need, like, let's stay here, we'll get in my car and we'll bandage you.
I'm dead.
She's
I'm
dead,
dead.
mate.
Everything's
Fucking
black
left
and white. Everything's black and white. I'm dead.
No,
I'm
no,
bleeding
no.
out. Everything's black and white.
Fucking, you know what, just get out of the fucking car and
See.
There he is, there on the wall.
It took us fucking long enough. What the fuck?
Fuck's sake, man,
Hey,
that was
what,
a
man?
fucking 800 metre road trip.
Mate, that
8,000
was
didn't
like the fucking Walking Dead, man, driving towards you, by the way.
Aye, it was dead bodies and abandoned motors everywhere. Oh, just go fast.
Oh, stop the fucking, stop the minivan, stop the minivan.
You're gonna die.
Unbelievable.
Oh, Robbie, roll!
Ah, you've been hit. I'm so far.
What the?
Wicked.